The much-awaited Google Pixel 9a is on the verge of making its grand debut, and it promises to deliver an exceptional experience with its top-tier flagship chipset, an advanced camera system, and a uniquely striking design that sets it apart from the crowd. This highly anticipated smartphone is expected to directly compete with some of the most prominent players in the industry, including the newly released iPhone 16e, the powerful OnePlus 13R, and the feature-packed Samsung S25. Packed with state-of-the-art technology and high-end specifications, the Pixel 9a is positioning itself as a formidable rival in the ever-evolving smartphone landscape. One of the standout features of the Pixel 9a is its refined and modernized design, showcasing a sleek and stylish appearance. The device sports a newly crafted flat camera module that seamlessly integrates into its overall structure, giving it a polished and sophisticated look. Adding to its appeal, the Pixel 9a will be available in 3 stunning color variants: the graceful and soft pink iris, the bold and premium-looking obsidian, and the timelessly elegant porcelain finish, catering to a wide range of aesthetic preferences. This smartphone is equipped with a compact 6-inch display, catering to users who prefer a more manageable screen size without compromising on visual quality. Nestled within a sleek hole-punch cutout, the front-facing camera offers an impressive 13MP resolution, ensuring crisp and detailed selfies as well as high-definition video calls. One of the most remarkable aspects of this device is its integration of the powerful Tensor G4 flagship chipset, which enhances overall performance with cutting-edge capabilities. Under the hood, it packs a massive 5,100 mAh battery, allowing for prolonged usage without the constant need for recharging. While the Tensor G4 may not surpass the sheer processing power of the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Elite, its efficiency and performance are highly competitive, closely matching the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and 8 Gen 2 to deliver a seamless and responsive user experience. Designed for all-day reliability, this smartphone pairs an energy-efficient chipset with a high-capacity battery, ensuring you stay connected and powered up throughout the day. On the rear, it sports an advanced dual camera system, comprising a high-resolution 48MP primary sensor and a versatile 13MP ultra-wide lens lens. This setup guarantees stunning photography with remarkable detail, vibrant colors, and impressive clarity. Further elevating its photographic prowess, the device incorporates cutting-edge Pixel Visual Core technology, which refines image processing to produce breathtaking shots with enhanced color accuracy, richer depth, and superior sharpness in every frame. The highly anticipated Pixel 9a is expected to hit the market with an estimated price of around $499, positioning itself as a compelling choice for those who prefer a compact yet high-performing smartphone. With its combination of impressive features and competitive pricing, this device stands out as a strong contender in the mid-range segment. Moreover, a recent leak on Twitter has revealed that the Pixel 9a is likely to benefit from extended software support, receiving updates for an impressive 6 to 7 years. This extended update cycle ensures not only long-term security, but also access to the latest features and optimizations, making it a future-proof investment for users. In terms of performance, the Pixel OS continues to be one of the most refined and optimized Android experiences available. It is designed to deliver a lightning-fast and highly responsive interface, ensuring smooth operation without any noticeable lag. This level of efficiency enhances the overall user experience, making daily tasks more enjoyable and hassle-free. Additionally, the clean and minimalistic design of the interface is widely appreciated by users, as it simplifies navigation and creates an intuitive interaction with the device. The combination of these elements makes the Pixel 9a an appealing choice for those who value both performance and usability in their smartphones. The iPhone 16e, in contrast, is equipped with a single rear camera, a comparatively smaller battery, and a notch-style display that is limited to a 60 Hz refresh rate. Meanwhile, the upcoming Pixel 9a is expected to boast a much smoother 120 Hz refresh rate, providing a significantly more fluid viewing experience. However, where the iPhone 16e truly sets itself apart is in its raw power, thanks to the A18 Bionic chip. This next-generation processor delivers exceptional performance, making it more than capable of handling even the most demanding AAA gaming titles with ease. When it comes to sheer processing strength, the iPhone 16e holds a clear edge over the Pixel 9a. If you're eager for an in-depth comparison between these two devices, let me know by dropping a comment below. Also, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with others, and subscribe to the channel so you never miss an update. Take care, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!